Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy F56. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in the first pop-up, and Allow all in the second one. Finally, you can pick whatever you want to in all the other ones, and when you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to hit Allow a few more times and then hit your file. Either way, when you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In Here's Some Tip pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Then close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!